So now I will take this, one is already installed, go down to the door and we'll check if it's going through 1, 2, 3 walls. I'm in the second floor. Mal schauen, ob die Klinge die Sendeleistung reicht. Ich glaube nicht, aber mal schauen. So, really nice. I tested this also close to the door. Oh no, this doesn't work because there's no electricity. Really impressed, really nice. Let's see the long-term effect. Oh, first everything works.